Hi guys, we will discuss here how to send an email. By clicking on Utilities, you can choose to upload a template here. If you want to send emails to your contacts, you select the contact, click on this button, automatically it opens up pre-populated with his first name. I will send Carl an email. You can also decide to send to a group of contacts. Let's say Carl and Mike Schumann. Then, same process, I click here, I can add a template, change the subject, the content, click on the send button. Automatically the first email will go out with an option to send or not the remaining email. I will send to the remaining email. One more option you have here is sending to all your contacts, all 92 of them. You select this button. All 92 are picked up. However, only the ones with a valid email will receive an email. Same process, you send and you get the same message with an option of not sending. I will select it. By clicking on this button, you will see the history of all emails received by Mike. You can of course view the content of every email. The same process also applies to employees, except that employees can also send themselves internal messages. So TJO here will click on this button. By default, it goes to sending an internal message. If he clicks on the email, he can send an email. Let's go back to the default and send a message from TJO to Pedro internally. Same idea, by clicking here, you will see the history of all emails sent by TJO. This one was never opened. If you want to see the full history of all emails, you come to the Reports section, click on Correspondence, run the report. I want to filter TJO's emails. By doing so, I will see what TJO received and sent. This is received and this is sent. I can of course view all emails. This will do it for the option of sending emails from Isoratec. We hope that the demo was useful and thank you for your time.